Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Will. Today I want to show you something that I'm starting to learn. This is a completely new concept for me, but it's a legit way to earn passive income with crypto. I really want to share this information because if you ever wonder how to make your crypto work for you, but you just sit down and relax, then you will really like this information. I'm getting started into the world of liquidity pools and concentrated liquidity pools. Don't worry, I will explain everything as simple as possible, so by the end of this video you will have a clear idea of what it is, how it works, and how profitable it can be. If you are not familiar with this, it could be a little bit challenging at the beginning. Honestly, it was challenging for me, but the idea of having full control of my capital, it really motivates me to learn. I hope this information can help you to get motivated too. Usually, I follow opportunities where someone or some kind of tool is going to generate profits on our behalf. With this method, it's different. We're going to be part of a real transaction. This is a legit way to make money online. And to me, this could be a business model that we can scale over time. There are so many interesting sites, a bunch of networks, different coins, different projects every single day. So if you want to join me in this new journey, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel so I can come back here with more valuable videos like this one. So much potential with this new approach, to be honest. Well, this is not new. This is new for me, this is new for this channel. But the concept of liquidity pools has been in the space for years and years. This is the core of the DeFi space. We're going to call it true DeFi. Imagine we have a huge box full of gold. Well, not exactly gold, but a huge box filled with different cryptocurrencies. Liquidity pools are the heart of decentralized exchanges or DEX. This is where people trade crypto directly from their wallets. Because it's decentralized, you don't need a middleman. This is just pure crypto magic. Now, how we earn with liquidity pools? How do we make money from these pools? It's quite simple. We're going to put it in 3 simple steps. The first one, choosing a pool. The second, provide liquidity. And the third, earn from fees. So you are not doing trading, you are not giving your money to someone to generate profits for you. No, in this case, we are the bank. We provide liquidity. Some other people is going to trade, is going to perform transactions, and we are going to collect profits from those transactions. So, okay, let's go to the first step. We need to find a pool. There are thousands of platforms where we can find liquidity pools, like Uniswap, which is one of the most popular. We have SushiSwap, we have PancakeSwap, Trader Joe, we have Orca, we have Radium, we have Turbos, we have Cirrus, and there are more. Some are safe and stable, some others are, let's say, more wild and volatile. So you have to find something that fits your style, based on your risk tolerance. One of the first rules is don't follow the huge APRs. You might find opportunities offering, let's say, 1,000% in returns. Look at this one, 66,000%, 65,000, 14,000. Focus more in altcoins, pairs that we know they are going to have a long run. That is going to take us to the second step, which is provide liquidity. So now we're going to put some crypto into this big box. Let's say you choose a pair which is Ethereum and USDC. If you want to try something more risky, well, that is up to you, but you need to be aware of something called impermanent loss. That is when one token in the pool changes value more than the other. In that case, your deposit is going to be fully converted to the token that lose value. It's a bit of a bummer, but it can be managed by choosing the right pools and the right pairs. This is where you need to do your research, make sure you are providing capital, deploying capital into solid opportunities, coins that have longevity. So if for some reason you get converted to one of those, you feel confident that is something that will recover with time. Here we are not losing money, it's not going to happen, we are not trading. When you are inside of a concentrated liquidity pool, the worst case scenario is that you're gonna get out of range, and in that case, you're gonna stop receiving fees. Your money is still there, probably converted to the coin with less value, but if you choose the right pair, you know that these always change. Sometimes go down, sometimes goes up, sometimes go sideways. I found a community where I'm learning all of this, and it's absolutely incredible. not only the amount of information that they are giving us, but also they are helping us to make the whole process super simple. Real people making real progress every single day. We have a process there to get started with our first dollar per day, $3 per day, $10, $100. You will find in that community people making already thousands of dollars per day. It's just amazing. It's very inspiring. We have Zoom calls every day. They are also giving us a bunch of alternatives to get started, so you don't need to go and do your full research. That's the best mentoring you're gonna find right now. And by the way, they also have a free course with all the steps that you need to do in order to get started. If you want to see how that works before you decide to join the paid group, just DM me on Telegram and I will show you all that you need to do. I will wait for you to contact me first. I will never DM anyone. If you get a DM from me, that for sure is a scammer. Someone using my picture, using my name, trying to get you into some shady platform. Just avoid those messages, block them. If you text me first, I will reply, and I even send you a voice message. Finally, the fun part, which is earning fees. People are going to trade using these pools. We're gonna get a slice of this pie just by providing liquidity. It's like you are the owner of a toll, and if anyone needs to cross the bridge, they need to pay you for that. This is where the passive income magic happens. Well, I'm just getting started. I got a few pools in Uniswap. I'm trying something here called Camelot. I have something in Aerodrome. The idea is to come back here to show you my progress in each one of those. I'm going to show you some other tools that are going to help us to find these opportunities. Again, if you want to get in touch with me, now you know where to find me. I hope this information can help you to build a steadier future in the crypto space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for your company. I hope to see you in my next video. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road.